Hi everyone, it's Helen from Witchcrafts. Welcome back to my channel. Bit of an impromptu unboxing video here. As you might know, we've fairly recently moved house and I have been still sorting out through boxes and unpacking things, and I came across this box which I hadn't up until that point opened. Now this is the October box, I believe, from last year, from 2022, from Your Creative Studio, and this is a monthly subscription box where you get a carefully curated selection of creative crafting products. I have opened it and had a very quick look at it, and I was impressed with what I saw, so I thought, I know, I'll do a little unboxing video. So let's have a look. So inside it says Your Creative Studio, and there's a really nice little thank you card. On the other side it says baking is my love language, which it really isn't. And then this beautiful tissue paper, and inside lots of lovely goodies. So let's have a look and see what we've got here. So this says masking tape. I haven't opened any of these items, I've just opened the whole box. So got some sort of red gingham type pattern. So this is really nice. And next we've got a wood stamp. And it's of a slice of cake, which is very cute, with a cherry on the top. That's nice. And then what we've got here, this is time machine. So it's like lots of little cards, sort of vintagey feel. They remind me of sort of, you know, the Pears soap advert that there was in the UK in the, well, I don't even want to guess when it was. And then some sort of little other pictures. So that's really nice, like that. And then what have we got here? Well, there's a pretzel on the front of it. See what's inside. Oh, I think it's stickers. Let's see. So lots of look like food related stickers. I'm sure what that is. Crumble pies, cinnamon. This is making me hungry. Croissant. So these are good. So this all obviously fits with the baking is my love language little card that we had there. What's next? So this is another wooden stamp. So this is a hand holding a serving tray, a silver serving platter. It says vintage and then missed time. Not too sure what this is going to be. Let's have a look. I've got some little, oh, they're sort of like tracing paper, transparency type images. Oh, they're very cute, aren't they? Again, food themed. I'm filming this right before dinner time. Dinner's cooking currently. This is making me super hungry. So sort of vintage advert sort of feel to those. What else have we got in here? There's something else. Oh, and some more sort of stickers. Again, same sort of vintage theme. Cute. What's next? So we've got, oh, these are some little peel off rolling pin transparent stickers by the looks of it. So there's some small ones and some slightly bigger ones. Those are nice. What's this? This is, oh, it's some sort of oh, it's like really thin paper, like tissue paper type thing, and that's got sort of, it's difficult to see, but it's much browner than it looks on camera, and it's got like a chef's hat and some baguettes and things on it, so that's just like really thin tissue paper. It'd be nice for collage. And then we've got, so these are transfer stickers, I think, looks like, which I remember Letraset. Leave me a comment if you remember Letraset. They were sort of, before computers, you had loads of letters in an alphabet that you could get, and you could rub it down, had like a backing sheet, and you'd rub it down, and these are the same. So it tells you what to do if you're too young to know how to do it. So it's it's a little bit like a temporary tattoo, I suppose, but without using water. And you get a little spatula to rub it on with. This says Pine Branch. I think these are some more stickers. Yeah, so we've got some sort of, these are like washy paper stickers, these ones, by the look of it. So there's a couple of little stamps. This says Sweet Scented. And then there's some little tickets, some round ones. Oh, these have got a, oh, hang on, no, that's not on the back, those are different. So these are sort of textured on the back, hard to see. And some more little square ones, more textured ones. These would be great for collage actually. Little tags. And some more textured ones. These are really nice. And what have we got next? Get a lot in here. So these are individual little acrylic stamps, rubber stamps. So you would need a acrylic stamping block to put these onto, but again, they're cooking, baking, chef, some spoons. And then I think this is the last thing in the pack. So this is paper ephemera. So it says it contains 24 sheets, 6 sticker paper, 6 vellum paper, 6 art paper, and 6 pattern paper. It looks amazing in your cards, journal spreads, scrapbook, tags, and much more. And we've got, so let's just remind ourselves what it said was in here. Oh, and this is cute as well. So it's all the same theme by the looks of it. So we've got some sticker paper. I'm guessing maybe, so this is, so it looks like there's a couple of each pattern perhaps. Oh, I see. So you've got, I think it's the same pattern. So this is a thinnish paper, and then this is a thicker, sort of more textured one. I wonder if this is the sticker paper. Let's have a see. Maybe it's not the sticker paper. Okay, let's keep going. And then there's some, this is the patterned paper. Ah, I think this is the sticker paper. Yes, right. So, so it looks like you get the same design in the different types of papers. So what was there again? So there's 6 sticker paper, 6 vellum paper, 6 art paper, and 6 pattern paper. There we go. So that was the contents of the October box. Some of it, I mean, I love all of it. I think it's all fantastic, and I think it's really well thought out and put together. I wouldn't necessarily say a lot of it is my style, that I would use it frequently in my journal, But certainly these papers are really pretty, and this little book of cards, really like these as well. And some of these little tracing paper type things, yeah, really good. Can't fault the quality of the items, they're really, really good quality. So yeah, very impressed. So just a quick little look through there. So I don't know if this box is still available. I'll put a link to the website for Your Creative Studio. I believe they're based in Canada, so they do post internationally. So you can have a look and see what there is on their website. Not sponsored or anything like that, just came across it, saw someone else opening something similar, and thought I'd investigate and have a look. So just a quick look through that box. So thank you very much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!